that you're curious, I know that you're strong. But life can be furious and things can go wrong. You go, we're better off tomorrow. But who knows if we get joy or sorrow.
What's up, guys? So we are food prepping.
Yeah, and trying to use the rest of our fresh veggies.
Not so fresh veggies.
To cook some stuff. For a little short passage, it's actually not going to be that long, but
It's 150 miles.
so good.
Straight
to
shot.
have some food, so we don't have to cook underway in case of like a little heavy weather.
But at least we do have some carrots and onions and stuff. So we're we're healthy. And celery.
And celery.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm baking bread.
Wow. We should be taking off sometime tonight. I was trying to look it up. I believe it's like 80 miles, roughly 70, 80 miles until we're on the outskirts of the banks. Since we're at Chubkey now, we're just gonna take the easterly wind, go through the banks. We're gonna cruise that, hit the Gulf Stream, and should pretty much shoot into West Palm Beach.
We're about to leave for Florida and making some final adjustments to the back stays.
Making sure the old rig is centered up over the hole.
Currently very little wind, but it will increase and hopefully put us in Florida in about 24 hours.
Oh yeah, that's me right there. You are.
So what's our wind speed?
Tough. Enduring.
What's our
4.8.
yeah, our speed is
Our speed is forward.
huh?
Forward. F-O-W-A-R-D. Forward.
Forward. And are we even moving right now, buddy?
Yeah, we're moving. We're doing 2.4.
Oh wow.
We're waiting on the wind though. That's
Yeah.
the problem.
And while we wait. Got it.
Yeah. Good job.
Thank you. Well,
I believe we're the laziest sailors ever. We just didn't put down our cards and jibed.
alright, your turn.
You sure it's my turn?
Yes. Welcome to the jungle.
I bring you to you. Me.
What is wrong with you?
We need music. You steal my
I'm
diamond.
not stealing anything.
I know you're up to something here. Up to no good.
Well, that we have in common.
I don't know what to put on.
Pretty sure the
There's no wind.
wind is kind of
Oh,
up. Victory.
how's that feel, huh?
Let me down.
No, but you know how you always let a kid win? Same type of thing. What I'm saying is, like, I let you win. If you would have just not taken all my cards and used them to your advantage. You need to shave your pits before you start raising your hands
Did
like
that this morning. You have nothing on me.
I got that
I
one.
think it's helping.
See? If you watch the sail, watch. Hold on.
Oh yeah, I got it. Definitely working. Oh no. No. Okay. Well, that
I don't
fly is
understand.
probably really tired
Hey,
from
Debbie.
flying all the way out here.
Hey. Have you ever seen a human? I know this gotta be scary in your eyes. Maybe he's blind.
Don't they have like eyes the size of like half their head?
Yeah. Go in there, get you some sugar. He wants coffee, that's what he is.
Yes, his all the other senses is so alert
Don't worry,
because he's
Fly.
blind.
You're not bugging me.
Yeah, that's an interesting 1 minute video. Don't you think?
Yeah. Yeah, put that on the screen.
I see a bunch of dolphins over here, but they're like hanging out with their fins above the water. What is it? They kept swimming though. Maybe they are feeding on something. Ow, they're big though.
I know. That's why I like. It made me almost think of like a whale.
Whales? Yeah.
That's it. Yeah, there's the wind.
Sort of.
No, it's coming. There it is. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
It is
Oh.
sort of like a
Oh, it's on the bank.
forward beam, yeah. Currently I started the engine just to charge a little bit, and we're doing over 6 knots. We're doing close to 7 a while ago. And
Yeah,
entering the
picking up.
shoals before we cross the Gulf Stream and end up in Florida. Anyways, wind's picking up. It's looking good for the night.
All right.
To port?
Yeah, to port. So we are at 7:30. The sun's just setting, and it's beautiful. Yet again, and she is.
Yeah, you're so cute.
I hit you with it.
Trying hard.
You didn't know where it was coming from.
We are playing our 150th game of cards.
We're at an average of 3.5 knots so far. 29.5 miles, almost 30 miles in 8 hours. I'm just hoping we get to the Gulf Stream by morning. And now the wind's picking up. Of course, it'll pick up at nighttime, I bet you. Couldn't ask for a better sail.
So, yeah, this is weird. We are about to enter the Gulf Stream. Going through this cut, and we see all these lights, and it looks like all cruise ships.
These are the quarantine ships. It's I think 6 o'clock in the morning right now. We got a beautiful sunrise, but Therese is sleeping. So all right. So, good morning. What are we doing?
We're sailing.
And
Fishing?
yes.
Oh,
Yeah, we're catching breakfast.
where are we?
North of Bimini, most western side, south of the tongue of the ocean entrance.
Where's all the cruise ships?
Uh-oh. And we got a fish. I think it's barracuda, we'll see though. Oh, dolphin! Right here. Right beside the boat. Look.
Oh, there's dolphins. Good morning. In the Gulf Stream. They're coming here. Really?
No, barracuda.
Thought we had left those behind. So, good morning from, come on! Hey! out of whatever the sound is that leaves the Bahamas, and we see all of these cruise ships anchored.
Here they come.
We're going past them right now, together with these guys. Bye, Bahamas.
Riding the EAC, dude! East American Current, aka Gulf Stream. Chris knows all about it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Must have just been a burst. We hit 9.4 with just our head sail out, but we're basically in the strongest part of the Gulf Stream. Right now we're doing 7.2.
Oh, it's also decent with the head sail.
Super smooth though when we're going above when we're gaining that much speed, because then we're actually staying with the wind. Well, we made it. Finally. Definitely not clear water. And I'm tired. But it wasn't a bad sail. We had a nice 300 plus miles from the Exumas, which was kind of nice. I don't think I've ever had that good of a 300-mile adventure before. And now we're trying to use this roam app here to check in with the Ag Customs and Border Patrol. What do you feel about this?
I feel like this is not working.
Good morning. It is April 24th. It's kind of weird. We're back home, kind of, in the States. But good news, Therese got a 6-month visa, which is awesome. They somehow let me back in the country too. And
I got some work. So the only thing we need to do today is try to get my Wi-Fi up and running again so I can keep working. And I don't know, it's just like a huge weight, like, I don't know, weight right now just being lifted sort of. It's just,
weight lifted off your shoulders.
Yeah,
Is that the one?
yeah, what's the one I couldn't get it out.
But this
Look
is
at
like a
these.
nice dock to go to.
These are public city docks that you're allowed to tie onto during the day. Oh, we're gonna go and find some necessities. Hopefully.
Is that what you call it?
Yeah, that's what I call it.
This place is like a ghost town. This is West Palm Beach, Florida. I mean, take a look around. There's just nobody. All the restaurants seem to be closed. Not really sure. Oh yeah, could we get face masks?
We don't have a place.
Yeah, we've been away from land for months, so. Oh wow. This is the world we live in now. What are you doing?
Well, I'm trying to find out which one's better.
What's better? You don't know yet? Why is there suspense in this? This is the longest 3 minutes of my life.
Whoa.
Watch out.
Alright, so we have a storm in our hands.
Woo! Get it out here. Holy